Welcome back to Techmirror. In today's video, we are looking at the best portable washing machines of 2025. Whether you live in an apartment, dormitory, or an RV, these compact washers are built to save space while delivering powerful performance. We have rounded up 5 of the most reliable models you can buy this year. Stay tuned as we count down from number 5 to number 1, with links to Wayfair and Amazon for each washer so you can check them out. Number 5. The BODACIOUS 2.0 cubic feet. Portable washing machine is a compact but powerful washer designed for apartments, dormitories, and recreational vehicles. Measuring just under 20 inches wide and deep, it fits neatly into smaller spaces while still providing a generous drum capacity of 17.7 pounds. The gold finish adds a modern look, and the clear LED display shows cycle selection and time remaining. With 10 wash cycles including quick wash, heavy duty, soak, spin, tub clean, and tub air dry, it offers the flexibility to handle everything from delicate laundry to bulky bedding. It operates at only 55 decibels, which makes it very quiet and suitable for small living environments. The dynamic unbalance detection system minimizes vibration, while the child lock feature adds extra safety. A 24-hour delayed start option makes it convenient for busy schedules. Customer reviews consistently highlight its impressive performance. One user mentioned that it easily washed heavy work pants while remaining steady and nearly silent inside a recreational vehicle. Another customer praised its ability to clean queen-size blankets, towels, and jeans, noting that clothes came out almost dry after the final spin cycle. Weighing only 43 pounds, the washer is lightweight enough to move when needed. The built-in drain pump and IPX4 waterproof rating add durability and reliability, especially in humid spaces. Overall, this portable washing machine combines quiet operation, versatile wash options, and compact design, making it an excellent choice for those who want the efficiency of a full-size washer in a smaller space-saving package. Number 4. The BLACK+DECKER 0.9 cubic feet. Portable washer BPWM09W is a compact and practical solution for apartments, dormitories, or small households where space is limited. Measuring only 17.7 inches deep, 17.3 inches wide, and 31.1 inches tall, it offers a small footprint while still handling up to 6.6 pounds of laundry per load. This portable washer features 5 wash cycles including heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, giving users flexibility for different fabrics and levels of cleaning. It uses cold water only and allows 3 water level selections to match small, medium, or large loads. The stainless steel drum is durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean, while the transparent lid lets you keep an eye on the cycle. Safety is built in with child lock protection, automatic unbalance detection, and an auto shut-off feature. The included quick connect sink adapter and drain hose make it easy to set up and remove when not in use. For portability, the washer includes side handles and 2 roller wheels, allowing it to be moved between rooms or stored away after use. Customer feedback highlights its efficiency and quiet performance. One reviewer praised its ability to clean clothes just as well as a full-size washer, while another explained how it even works for off-grid living by manually filling it with buckets of water. Users also noted that clothes come out nearly dry after spinning, saving drying time. Overall, this BLACK+DECKER portable washer is a dependable, space-saving appliance that delivers convenience, quiet operation, and effective cleaning in a compact design. Number 3. The COMFEE 1.6 cubic feet. Portable washing machine is a reliable and space-saving option for apartments, recreational vehicles, or small homes where a full-size washer is not practical. With dimensions of 20.7 inches deep, 20.3 inches wide, and 36.6 inches tall, it takes up little room, yet provides an impressive 11-pound load capacity. The stainless steel inner drum adds durability, while the sleek magnetic gray finish blends well with modern interiors. This washer offers 6 wash programs including normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin only, covering most laundry needs. It also allows extra rinse time and offers 3 water temperature settings for better cleaning results. The delay start function is convenient for scheduling loads, while the reloading feature lets you pause and add items mid-cycle. Safety is covered with a child lock function that freezes the control panel to prevent accidental changes. Customer feedback emphasizes both its effectiveness and ease of use. One reviewer reported that it handled heavy denim and work uniforms with no issue, delivering thoroughly clean clothes and excellent spin drying results. Another buyer appreciated its quiet operation and simple setup, connecting easily to a kitchen faucet with the included adapter. Many users also note that it is easy to move thanks to its built-in wheels, making it practical for tight spaces. Overall, the COMFEE portable washing machine combines performance, flexibility, and energy savings in a compact design. It is a smart choice for anyone needing a dependable washer without the footprint of a full-size unit. Number 2. The Elevon 20-pound portable washing machine is a practical choice for apartments, dormitories, and recreational vehicles. With its twin tub design, it separates washing and spinning, allowing you to clean clothes efficiently while saving time. The washer holds up to 12 pounds of laundry, while the spinner handles 8 pounds, making it ideal for singles, couples, or small families. Operating the machine is simple with 3 control knobs for wash timer, wash mode, and spin timer. The wash cycle runs up to 15 minutes, while the spin cycle goes up to 5 minutes, giving flexibility depending on load size. Powered by a 260-watt motor for washing and a 140-watt motor for spinning, it delivers strong performance without excessive energy use. The transparent lid lets you monitor progress, and a built-in filter helps collect lint and debris for easier cleaning. Weighing only 31.97 pounds, this washer is compact and lightweight, making it easy to move and store in tight spaces. It is ready to use out of the box with no assembly required and can be placed on the floor or mounted on a wall if needed. Customer reviews highlight its ease of use and surprisingly powerful spin function. One user praised how quickly it dries clothes, while another was impressed with its efficiency compared to laundromat trips. Both noted that it is best suited for smaller loads, but perfect for regular weekly use. Overall, the Elevon Twin Tub Washer offers convenience, portability, and reliable cleaning performance in a space-saving design. Number 1. The ROVSUN 30-pound full automatic portable washer is a large-capacity laundry solution that combines the functions of washing and spin drying in one compact design. Measuring 24.9 inches deep, 24.9 inches wide, and 39 inches tall, it is ideal for apartments, dormitories, or small homes while still offering enough space to handle family-sized loads. Equipped with a stainless steel diamond-patterned inner drum, the washer is gentle on fabrics while ensuring deep cleaning. It features 8 wash programs and 8 water levels, giving flexibility for everything from delicate clothing to heavily soiled laundry. Quick wash cycles as short as 26 minutes are perfect for busy schedules, while the air dry function promotes better airflow, leaving clothes fresher. This unit is powered by a 400-watt motor and designed with convenience in mind. The touch control panel is easy to use, and features like a child lock, adjustable feet, and self-cleaning mode make it safe and practical for everyday use. The built-in drain pump ensures simple setup in different living spaces without the need for a floor drain. Customer reviews highlight both performance and build quality. One user noted how quiet it runs even during the spin cycle, making it perfect for apartment living. Another praised its size, comparing it to a commercial washer, and emphasized how well it handles large loads without taking up the footprint of a traditional machine. Overall, the ROVSUN 30-pound washer delivers powerful cleaning, versatility, and efficiency, making it an excellent choice for households that need a reliable and spacious portable washing machine.